Welcome to my YouTube video, and I would like to share with you about my new Hisense ibubble top loader 14 kg washing machine that I just bought so recently, and it was referred to me by someone. I would like to check and test with you here. Please follow. I connect it up. First I have to check it. Well, sorry for that. There I switch it on, stop and on and off button. There I throw in some clothes just for testing purposes. A few of them. See there, it's closing by itself. So nice. Okay, there are out of probably 8 programs that you have to select. Which one would you like? Normal, a heavy, quick, spin only, dry, and so on. Then you have to select your preferred minutes, how long you're gonna do your only. Okay, so you can also select whether it's a cold, warm water or whatsoever, but unfortunately I don't have a warm water supply with myself there by the water pipes. And there we started. You can see now it's yeah, it's counting, it's washing, it's busy washing. Well, yeah, really it looks nice. It's nice. For now I did not yet balance the machine. It has some legs underneath there that you need to balance according to your floor level. That's why I can see it's vibrating a lot. There I'm checking where are those legs. I find it's somewhere there. I'm still gonna balance it up. Well, and with this machine, once it's done, it gives a beeping sound that it's done.